I'd say let's proceed this way. Next step would be a quick win, as we are trying, as we can see, the call to the backend to scan for the devices. As mentioned, it's taking forever, like 20-30 seconds. So this is running. While it's running, trying to give us the response, we can know that we're passing the BSS ID as a parameter, as a get parameter here, because obviously now we're not returning just, we're kind of performing a check. But now we got the result back. The costly part for the backend is to compute this host name for each of the devices, because it's using some kind of DNS lookup internally. So this is repeated per 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So imagine if that's a long list, it's proceeding essentially in a linear way, so one after the other. While what we can do is we can execute it in parallel. So this sounds complicated, but as you will see, the magic of Python, guys, it's incredible. We just need to import concurrent features, and then we will swap this code with this one I prepared, and let's analyze what's the difference. Essentially here we have, with concurrent features, it's creating a pool and then executing them in parallel. We won't go into detail because it's backend stuff, but you guys know the difference. So these effectively are run one next to the other, and so instead of taking 5 as much time it's going to take, they are executed all at the same time. So let's save it, and now let's run it, maybe in a new tab. I know that using the browser for testing API is not the best. There are other better options. For this couple of endpoints, it's enough. So 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, it took way less. So this is a quick win. Ignore this step if you're not using a real API. Probably we'll add in the code. I'm gonna add just a static API to return some data if you want to code with me. Okay, that's very good.